Now exercise 6.4, question numbers 2, 3 and 6. Now second question. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Then is, first one, OP plus OQ is greater than PQ, OQ plus OR is greater than QR, OR plus OP greater than RP. We have to check whether they are correct or not. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. So take a point O in the interior part. Now first one, OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Where is OP? Now we have to join O and P. We can join O and P. Now we can join O and Q also. Now you got a triangle. So what is the triangle? Name of the triangle? OPQ. Now look at that. OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. OP plus OQ greater than PQ. Now what is the property regarding the length of the sides of a triangle? Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So using that property we can say that OP and OQ are the two sides, and when we find the side, sum of the lengths of the sides, we can say that it should be greater than the length of the third side. So the first one is what we can say, is it possible? Is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? Yes. So what is the reason? Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now next one, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. OQ plus OR. OQ is already there. Where is OR? We have to join O and R. Join O and R. Now you can see the triangle OQR. Then sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So OQ plus OR, OQ plus OR, OQ plus OR is greater than QR. So is OQ plus OR is greater than QR? Yes. So what is the reason? Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now next one, OR plus OP. OR this side and OP. OR plus OP is greater than RP. So we have to consider the triangle OPR. Consider triangle OPR. So if you consider this triangle, you can see that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. That is OP plus OR is greater than RP. So the question is OR plus OP is greater than RP? So what we can say? Yes. So these three are correct inequalities. So based on the property, sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now next one. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. AM is the median. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. Now AM is given as the median. So M is the midpoint of the side BC, and this BC is divided into two equal parts, that is BM is equal to MC, because M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of BC. M is the midpoint of BC. Now we have to check it, the proof. First you have to consider triangle ABM. Consider triangle ABM. you have to consider the triangle ABM. Now we can say that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now using that property we can write as AB plus BM sum of any two sides, AB and BM we consider, and AB plus BM is greater than AM. Now we can take this one as a first inequality. Now you have to consider triangle ACM. Consider triangle ACM. Now when you consider triangle ACM, sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Using that property we can write AC plus CM is greater than AM. We can take it as inequality number 2. Now look at that, here we have to get as 2 times AM. So we want to take the sides in that way. So first you have to consider triangle ABM. Then sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Using that property we can write AB plus BM is greater than AM. Then consider triangle ACM. Again we can apply the same property and we can write as AC plus CM is greater than AM. Now we have to sum inequality number 1 and 2. One plus 2. Sum 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 means you have to add the left hand side and you have to add the right hand side. The left hand side of the inequality and as well as right hand side of the inequality. So first one when you take it, left hand side is AB plus BM. Then the second inequality, the left hand side is AC plus CM. So write AC plus CM greater than the right hand side of the inequality. Here we have a AM plus again we have a one more AM plus AM. Now we have to arrange the sides. We have to arrange the sides and now the inequality, look at that, AB is there. So we have to write AB. Then BC is there. BC we have to look into. Then CA is same as AC. So we can write CA because AC and CA are same. Then plus BM plus CM we will write together and we put a bracket. Greater than AM plus AM is 2 times AM. Now we have to get this inequality. So in that way we have to AB plus AB we wrote. BM and CM we have to write it together. Then next is AC. AC is same as CA. So we will write CA. Now BM plus CM. What is BM plus CM? Now look at that, M is the midpoint and BM is equal to CM. And BM plus CM, what you will get? BM plus CM, you will get the line segment BC. BM plus CM is equal to BC. Therefore, we can write AB plus CA plus BM plus CM is same as BC. We can write as BC, which is greater than 2 times AM. Now we can write it in order. Therefore, we can write AB plus, next in the inequality BC is given. So, we will write BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. So, the question is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 AM. So, we can write as a yes. Yes. Now write down the two inequality, after that you have to add it. So when you are adding BM and CM, you have to take it in a one group, and you can see that BM plus CM is equal to BC, because M is the midpoint of the line side BC. Therefore BM plus CM we can write it as BC. Therefore lastly AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2 times AM. So we can write, is it possible? So we can write down the answer as yes. Now next question. Question number 6. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. Two sides, length of the two sides are given, 12 cm and 15 cm. So you want to find out the measure of a third side, not the exact measure, between what two measures? Between what two measures the length of the third side fall? Now first we can consider the first property regarding the length of the sides. What is the property? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we have to find out between what two measures the length of the third side fall. So the length of two sides are given. So according to that property we can write first one, 12 cm plus 15 cm. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So we can write it as a third side. So 12 cm plus 15 cm is greater than third side. 12 plus 15 is 27. So 27 cm is greater than third side. So what is the meaning of that? The length of the third side is less than 27 cm. Length of third side is less than 27 cm. Length of third side is less than 27 cm. Now the second one. The difference between any two sides is smaller than the third side. The difference between any two sides. So we can find out 15 cm minus 12 cm is smaller than the third side, that is less than third side. That is 3 cm is less than third side. So the 3 cm less than third side. So the meaning is that length of the third side is greater than 3 cm. Now look at that, length of the third side is less than 27 cm we got. Then length of the third side is greater than 3 cm. So between what two measures the length of the third side fall, that we have to find out. Now we found that the length of the third side is greater than 3 cm, but it is less than 27 cm. So what we can say? The length of the third side lies between 3 cm and 27 cm. So the length of the third side lies between 3 cm and 27 cm. Between what two measures the length of the third side fall? So between what two measures the length of the third side fall? Between 3 cm and 27 cm the length of the third side fall. So we can apply the two properties here, length of the side, regarding the length of the sides. Now the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and the difference between the lengths of two sides is smaller than the third side. So, using that one we can find out the values. That is all for today's class. Thank you.